And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 35. Let me show you how to create a motion blur effect. Press Ctrl J 2 times to copy our original. One is for the background, the one on top is for the dogs, I call that model. For the one on top I use select a subject, so make sure you are on the top layer. You will find the image in the video description if you want to use the same. This time the selection looks alright, so we don't have to work on it manually. We'll just run with it. All we have to do now is to click right here on Layer Mask, and this gives us a cutout. You can see when you zoom in, it's not a perfect selection, especially right here. But for this effect we don't have to worry about all of the small little details. Now we go to the background layer, make sure it's active, so left click on it, then go to Filter, Blur, and there is the motion blur. Simple menu will pop up, just make sure the preview is checked so that you can see the effect applied. And this window right here is a preview. If you hover over your canvas and left click, preview window will change to that position, and you can use these zoom glasses to zoom out and in. To adjust it, you can adjust the angle numerically or using this wheel. For our effects, an angle of 0 would be fine, because this is where the dogs are running. It's almost a horizontal line. Relatively hard to hit the right spot with the wheel, so I would use numerical values here. And then distance is for the intensity of the blur to the left. It's not applied to the right, it's the max. You want to go too high. In this case, obviously the faster your object can be, the more you can add here as a blur. For example, a race car, you could add a very high value, but for the dogs I'll keep it to around 100. Just confirm, and there you go. This was the original, and this is with the motion blur. So again, filter blur, motion blur, this is where you find it. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.